Don't do it because you're gonna be waiting. You're gonna be waiting because I'm pulling into this parking spot and I don't know if I can fit. Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today we are gonna be doing a vlog. We never do vlogs anymore on this channel, so it's time to bring it back, bring it back, because I did get a vlogging camera, so we're gonna get cute. Gonna get a very basic face on, okay? We're obviously going out with masks on. I'm not doing too much, okay? I'm just gonna do what I can. We're gonna be doing a little shop with me today. I literally have not left this house in like 3 weeks, other than to like take my daughters to like go to the park or ride bikes. That's it, okay? That's it. But there are a couple things that I need that I actually have to go check out and see for myself. So we're gonna do a little shop with me today. We're going to Ikea. I love Ikea. If you see me and somebody out at Ikea, just know that's a date. I want one of those plant cabinets. You know what I'm saying? I've been seeing those a lot online on Pinterest, on TikTok, on Instagram, and I want one, okay? I have a bunch of plants that need a little home. I saw that they came out with a new cabinet with the glass shelves, so I wanna go check it out in person, see how big it is, see how it looks, so we can pick it up, okay? My skin looks pretty good for sleeping in my makeup last night. I'm ashamed. I woke up with shame this morning. My contour stick, no? No? Is this no? It's not here? Okay. I guess we're doing powder then. So this morning I went and dropped my daughters off with their dad. They usually go with him on the weekend. That's like our little schedule right now. So I dropped them off this morning and I went to the farmer's market. This is gonna look so crazy for a second. I went to the farmer's market and there's this farmer's market that I discovered last month. And basically it's only once a month, so it's like every second Saturday of the month. And you pay 12 bucks, you get a little ticket, and you go and they fill up a box for you full of stuff. And it shows you like in the front when you first get there, like what the seasonal produce is for the month. And they fill you up. And you're like good for a month. Like it's a lot of stuff. Definitely a deal. We're gonna cook up something good. You know what's up? Look at what I got in the mail. Are you ready for this? Are you really ready? Aww. So apparently it's gonna be like National Lash Day in a few days. What? This is from Ardell, obviously. You can see all the brandage here. I love these, you guys, especially the clusters of lashes, the trios. Come on, come on. Even like little lashes like these, I feel like this would look like a lash extension. I've never had lash extensions, but I love the way that they look. Okay, you guys are probably like, damn, is she even taking us anywhere? Are we going shopping or not? Yes, we are. Let me go ahead and get dressed real quick and we're gonna head out. So if you guys are ready, let's go ahead. I'm ready. I'm giving all this positive energy that we're gonna find some good stuff, okay? Let's go. By the way, how cute are the jeans? Tell me, how cute are the jeans? How cute are the jeans? Oh, who's stopping here? Who's stopping? There's no stop signs. Oh, come on, Prius. No, you're gonna make me back all the way up. You're gonna make me back all the way up. And I'll do it, because I want that parking spot. Thank you. Okay, let's squeeze into this parking spot real quick. Don't do it, because you're gonna be waiting. You're gonna be waiting because I'm pulling into this parking spot and I don't know if I can fit. Okay, champ. This person's gonna swing right into their parking spot. Real cool. Cool guy. We are here. I'm here to get a cabinet, like a little like display shelf, glass, reusable sandwich bags and things like that for the girls for lunchtime. A mirror maybe. We're just gonna do whatever we can, okay? I'm gonna see what I can find. Got my reusable bag, my big fat Ikea bag, and I emptied out the back seat because you never know what you're gonna get when you come to Ikea. So I put all the seats down. Didn't bring a jacket, it's cold as shit. For Arizona, it's probably like 60 degrees, 65. It's freezing. Are you guys ready? Let's see what we can find. So first things first, I want my own little library in my home. Like, that is it, that is all. And also, like, look at her. That's cute. I like that.
This is the mirror that I came here for last time. Did not get it. So this time, it's on. They better have it. Dang. But also, dang, no. This is kind of like where I'm going for here.
So this is the red set. This is the one I came here looking for. But that white one, you see that white one? That's what I actually wanted. And they don't have it. Never. They still don't have it. This was a little retro, so I wasn't really into it. And then these ones over here are actually just nice. But look at this. Okay, this is the hemness. I'm gonna tell you something. I literally bought this on Facebook Marketplace for 50 bucks like 2 days ago. Yes. So the skinny black one, the red stud, that's actually the one that I came here looking for, but I decided it was just too small compared to the Mills bow, which is this white one, which is temporarily unavailable anyways, and literally never came back in stock. Like, you're never seeing that again. This is also a Mills bow, the small short one, and the red stud also has a small short one, which was not on the floor, but I really want that. So does anybody else pretend to live in these homes and they have like a different personality based on the style of the home? Or are you normal? Like, tell me what's up. Ooh, I actually just bought a few of these reusable produce bags. Yes, ma'am. Take these to the grocery store.
They gotta stop playing with this temporarily unavailable. Look at this. 39 bucks for the rounded mirror, full-length body mirror.
This one's kind of cool too though, because if you look on the back, it's got a little hanger. So I'm thinking like you could hang up your outfit and try it on all in one spot. If I can't look through my giant floor-to-ceiling windows while I'm taking a piss at night, I don't want it. Keep it. I don't want it. I will take these LED mirrors though. And the fireplace is giving me a little farmhouse beauty. And then the girls actually have these right here. I'm gonna have to show you guys. I'm redoing their playroom right now. And I'm gonna paint the buckets, spray paint them. And I don't know, the style, the vibe's gonna be there. I'll have to show you.
Imagine having your own little place of business and it's so cute. See, damn, I want my office to be like a legit office space.
We finally made it downstairs. So I'm gonna see what I can find for lunches. They had these little bento boxes for $5.99, which is very, very affordable. But they already have lunch boxes and everything, so that's not really what I was vibing with. But these, 99 cents for the dips? Throw it in the bag. If you watch my Instagram stories, you know I'm obsessed with tea. I actually upgraded my tea kettle since this. Oops. But I still use it. Do not sleep on Ikea for the fluffy, comfy blankies, okay? And these are also super cool. I put one of these in Kenzie's room for where she does her schoolwork, and it's amazing, organized. And then I saw this lamp, and I was like, ooh, she's cute, but the price is not that cute. I don't know, guys. I'm a little bit cheap. I'm not gonna lie. Then they had the full length, but I was like, you're like 4'5". Bye to this mirror. I will not be seeing you again. Do not sleep on the pots from Ikea. $3.99, and they're also affordable, and the quality is bomb. So we got some live plants out here. Look around. Got some pothos for $7. But if you can't take care of a real plant, they've really stepped up their fake plant game. Like, look at this. Not the begonias. For $3.99? I don't know, guys. They've really stepped up. They have lots of options out there now. Oh, I can't drive a car. I can't drive a cart. And just to add a little bit of extra salt to the wound, I want to double check that it's definitely out of stock. Definitely not getting it. Do not sleep on the little as-is section at Ikea. This is stuff that people have returned for whatever reason. Look at this. You can get extra parts if you break something, you lose something. They've got it right here for the low. And also, what did I find? Instantly, the lamp for $111, 25% discount. See? Do not sleep on it. All that just to spend a few bucks. But you never know what you're gonna get when you come to Ikea.
Well, damn, that was a whole ass bust. First of all, it's completely night out. Didn't get nothing. Didn't get anything. The one time I'm like, oh, come shopping with me. We're gonna get cute stuff. Didn't find anything. Everything was sold out. Everything. In Ikea's defense, I definitely should have checked the website to make sure like anything that I wanted was available. Didn't do that. I thought I was gonna go home and make like a plant cabinet. I was gonna put it all together, show you guys what it looks like. I was real hype. No, but I do have a bunch of stuff from the Goodwill that I got like over the past few months that I am gonna upcycle soon. So if you guys are like into home decor and that's what you came here for, I got you. I am gonna run to Target really quick because it's literally right here, and the girls are so excited for Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna see what I can get them and put together. By the time you see this, you're probably like, Valentine's Day, like that's old school, that's old news. But let me know what you guys did for Valentine's Day. I would love to know. I have no plans. I would like to get some candy though and eat it in my bed.
I've actually been on the hunt for these $3 reusable bags. We're at Target, we're in the cheap section, but that's okay because look at us, it's $5. I'm gonna propagate some plants, or you could put some little flowers in there, you know, do whatever you'd like, We've got some more pots, once again for the low, $3. Do not sleep on this section. I love when spring has sprung because they just come out with the best stuff. Got a little mirror right here, bam, $5. Another tote bag, how much? $3, okay? These natural sponges are really cool. They puff up when you get them wet. I know they look like a little crunchy granola bar right now. And we found the reusable baggies for a good price. But I'm gonna tell you something, the little top opening part is actually really hard, so I don't know if I'd recommend these. It's really hard to slide over, but very affordable if you have kids that snack a lot or that go to school and they need to pack a lunch. Bomb. Definitely gonna go through less of those plastic sandwich bags. We know Target has the cute bags. They pretty much stay on deck with the cute bags. And they've got the spring colors. Just because I filmed this in February doesn't mean it's not still relevant. They've also really stepped up the jewelry game. Like, look at these right here for $7.99. Yes. And once again, if you have a hard time taking care of a real plant, Target has your back as well. Give you a little tropical vibe. These mirrors are so similar to the one in Ikea, but like half the size. I love to smell good, and my room has to smell good too. I have the room spray in this same scent right here, but I just feel like they're so aesthetically pleasing, and they've got all these different scents depending on what you're into. Very grown, very clean. I like that. See, if I know I can get those pots at Ikea for $3.99, I'm not paying $8 for these smaller ones. No thank you. Bye-bye. But both of them aren't a bad price, and they got that cute concrete look. Super cute, but HomeGoods sells those for like half the price, so I'm not gonna lie. So the Valentine's Day section was wiped clean. Had to figure something else out. They didn't have that very viral Maybelline mascara, but I did end up buying it in a haul that's gonna be coming very soon where I go drugstore makeup shopping. Alright you guys, it is late as a mofo and I am so exhausted right now, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Okay, first things first, Ikea played games. We all know that they played games. I'm hoping to figure out if I can order or go back when it's supposed to be in stock, the little cabinet, or I'm gonna try to find one on OfferUp. That's like my best bet. I live for OfferUp. That's where it's at, okay? And I can get one for cheaper. I'll see what I can do and I'll keep you guys posted. If we go back, I'll take you guys with me. So literally all I got was this tea kettle right here so I can heat up water and put it in my tea. I've been needing one of these. And then I got these little Tupperware for things like ranch, cream cheese, any kind of dip, salad dressing for when I put my daughter's snacks together for their lunches. That's literally all I got from Ikea. I went in there prepared knowing that I was gonna spend money because I was like, oh, I haven't bought anything in so long. Let me do my thing. And no. I have this bag right here. This is what we got at Target. If you haven't seen my January favorites, like my favorites so far for this year, Bagoo baby, go watch that video, check them out. Oh, I'm like tossing this bag around like I don't have cupcakes in here. I got my daughters these little cupcakes. I did not find literally anything else for them for Valentine's Day, and I feel bad because I'm doing it so last minute, but they've been with me for weeks and weeks, so I have not had a chance to get anything. So I wanted to obviously surprise them. I'm probably gonna get them like a little stuffed animal and a candy, just something little and cute. My parents always gave us something for Valentine's Day every year, and that really stuck with me. That's probably what my love language is, gift giving and acts of service. And damn, speaking of love, every couple in the world was out at the stores, by the way. Every person was a couple. Is that every person was part of a couple at least. I got these reusable bags. Everything we got here is from the cheapy cheap section. I barely spent anything. I was so happy. So I got these ones. They look tiny, but they actually open up flat at the bottom. So like when I pop this open, it's gonna sit like this, you know, like here's the Ziploc part and it's like a little pouch. I really wish that I could buy rings from places, like anywhere. I literally can't because I have tiny little fingers. I'm a size 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm guessing this is probably a 2. The lowest that they usually have at any store is either a 6 or 7 at the very minimum, and a 6 barely fits on my thumb, so I don't want to wear all my rings on my thumb. But these are the 2 pairs of earrings I got right here. I have earrings very similar to this, and this is probably my most requested "where did you get those from?" question is about my earrings that look just like this, but they are from Shein. They are very scratched up. Like, they are very scratched up. So the material on these feels like they might be a little bit more resilient. And then I also got these little guys right here. Now we kind of get into like, did I really need 2 of these? But they were $5. For some reason I thought these were $3. Maybe the other one was. The other one was $3. So freaking cute. So you can take these and you can propagate your plants. It's a very skinny hole, so you're not gonna do too much. This is 6 new plants right here, if I wanted to do that, okay? 6 new plants that I could put in pots and fill up my house like a little jungle. These ones were only $3, and I saw only one of them, and those were the last 2 left, so I had to just snatch up everything, you know? These ones are already like a clay-like finish, but the hole is a little bit bigger, so depending on what you want to put in it, these ones might be a little bit better. Last but certainly not least, reusable bags in the reusable bag. I got 2 right here. These are the only ones that I saw. One is like a regular, like natural canvas tote, and the other one is white. You can paint these, you can do whatever you want with them. Once you get into reusable bags, you can't stop, because you realize that you need so many different shapes and sizes for different things that you're gonna get. For $3, I'm about to paint this, customize it, do whatever I want. I could dye this. I could dye this. Come on now. I've got ideas going right now, okay? My ideas are going right now. I'm gonna go in my bathroom and cut my bangs now before I go to bed. I'm very tired, but I can't with this. I need my bangs back, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and go do that right now, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Did you guys think that was the end of the video? Did you guys think that that was the end of the video? Because I'm very persistent and I'm having a bad day. So I'm coming to get the damn shelf, okay? I'm getting a shelf, I'm not leaving without a shelf. So they do have a smaller, like a shorter one that's wide that I do like, and I'm gonna pick it up right now. I'm literally just gonna go straight to the warehouse part. I already saw what the bin number and everything is, and I'm gonna bounce, okay? And I'm gonna put it together at home, and I'm gonna feel really good about it. I'll be right back.
What did I tell you? This is currently sitting in my bedroom right now. This was like $10, and no, it is not plastic at all. It's nice.
He said take it out to the farthest one she could go to. Let's see. Oh wait, past it. Beep, 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 beep. I really didn't think about if this was gonna be heavy or not. So let's find out. My nail broke off. Okay, this one's less heavy. Number 2, we are good to go. Alright guys, we are all done. By the way, glue my nail back on. I keeps it on me at all times, okay? Gotta keep nail glue on you. Finally heading home. I'm gonna go put this thing together. I'm like a pro Ikea furniture builder, okay? Be ready. We did it. We did it. We did it. Yay! Okay, so here's like a vibe of what I'm trying to do here. I'm not sure that I'm actually gonna keep these exact plants in here, but this is gonna be for like plants that need a little bit of help, need a little bit of humidity, because I live in literally the least humid place, period. So basically I'm gonna make a little hole where I can feed cords through, and I'm going to put lights on the top. I could have gotten those from Ikea, but I literally skipped the lighting section. Second step is to put a humidifier in here, keeping them nice and humid. And yeah, that is the greenhouse cabinet. By the way, this is not where she's going. This is gonna go in my bedroom. I have the perfect wall for it. I'm gonna put like a piece of artwork on the top, so that way it adds like a little bit of height, and it should go pretty high. I'll show you guys what's up when I have it all done. I just know I look greasy and gross right now. I'm gonna go wash my face. I'm gonna lay in my comfy bed. I'm exhausted, okay? Not even just from building this IKEA furniture right here, but it is late as hell right now. It is super, super, super late. This is actually the end of the video this time. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you guys wanna see me do more vlogs, definitely like this video so I know what's up. Bye.